that.
It's hot.
That's so funny.
She's flying. Look at her voice though. You hear it? Please fly.
She's so cute. She's just swinging on it. Like, wee.
No, take a walk.
We should get Vito one. Mom, you heard?
Vita's not doing that.
Mommy, you heard? We should get Vito one.
Tell your brother she's space too.
We should get Vito one. She could do that in our
Move, D.
He's so cute. Dakota, what are you doing? I'm just.
Daddy, look in the corner.
Not me. It was on there while we were eating breakfast.
This is the aftermath.
I don't know.
Where you put it?
I didn't touch it.
Well, it was
I
small
said it was on the table.
Yeah, it was a small silver key, right?
Yeah. Yeah, where is it?
What?
Where
Where's
is
the
it? Because
table?
Christian's
You
pointing
had
at
it. You had it in the morning. You dropped it under the table.
What?
You had it this morning. You dropped it on the table.
Back